Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this awesome 3D quilling noddy. So here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So we will start with the body. So we will need 14 strips for the body, and I have already created two coils using red and blue color. Secure the shape using glue. Apply glue on blue coil as well, so it does not change the shape after sticking. So now we will make face. For this we will need 10 strips, and I have already made two coils using brown and skin color. Secure the shape properly. Let it dry for some time. So now we will make the hat. We will need total 12 strips for this, and we will give it a shape using a pencil and hand. Secure the shape. So now we will make legs. For the legs we will need total 4 coils as shown. We will pinch the red part like this. And we'll give a shape like this. We need to attach the skin part, so we will give the shape accordingly. Now we will join all the parts. Make the another leg similarly. So now we will make hands. We will need total 2 coils for this, and we will use the pencil to give it a shape. We will pinch the skin coil like this. Secure the shape and attach the skin part. Make the other hand similarly. So now we will assemble it. It will look like this after sticking. Let it dry for some time. So now we will stick the belt. We will take a yellow strip and we will stick it as shown in the video. Cut the extra strip and secure the end. So I have cut a piece of paper like this to make the belt. So now we will stick the head. So now we will make the nose. For the nose, we will cut the 3 mm strip into half and we will make a coil from it. So for the eyes, I have made a template and the download link is in the description. You can cut it accordingly. You can make a smile using a permanent marker. Now we'll add the eyes and the nose. So now I'll make the hair. For the hair, I will take this brown strip and we will make a small slits like this and we will make it in the complete strip. So it will look like this after completing, and now we will make a coil from it. Secure the end. So we'll split it like this to give it a shape. We'll press it. So now we'll stick the body and the head. Let it dry for some time. So now we'll make the bell. For bell, we will cut the strip in half and we will make two coils like this. Give it a shape using quilling mode and stick it. Now we will take one more strip and we will add it in the center to give it a proper shape. Extra part and secure the end. Now we will stick it to the hat. So now for the scarf, I have printed a paper, or you can take a strip and you can punch some holes and you can stick the dead part randomly. You can cut the circles in half and stick it. Now you stick that strip in the body. So now we will take a white pen and we will make a 3 dots like this to make the buttons. So I have cut this one from brown paper to make the hair of the noddy. Now we will stick it to the head. Stick it like this, and now we will add that flower for the center hair of the noddy. I made 2 coils like this to make the ears of the noddy. so it will look like this after completing. Now if you want, you can add the base. So guys, here is the end of our video. If you like the idea, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.